Another classic mini build that was done before I had the new filming setup is a very small Klingon Bird-of-Prey from Star Trek, which is a very iconic and recognizable ship design. Has a couple of nice part usages with the little metal detector and a frog to make the front section. But let's take a look at the parts list and then you can get started on building it. So that is the finished mini build, the Klingon Bird-of-Prey. Got nice little details on it, and all of these parts in green are official. Most of the binoculars and the metal detector would have been from the Toy Story Plastic Army Men set. And if you want to display it in the attack or cruise modes, you can change the angle of the wings for a different look. But I think it looks best when the wings are raised upwards. It kind of hides that gap up there, but it looks nice either way. So thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you feel like it. And please enjoy some more of my videos.